Hello guys, welcome back. I hope you are doing great. So, as you read the title that today we are going to know about Roman Reigns. Roman is famous WWE personality and today's video I will tell everything about his. So let's start. Birth name of Roman. His birth name is Letty Joseph. Nationality. He was born in America and he has American nationality. His date of birth 25th May 1985. His birthplace Pensacola in Florida. His profession. He is American professional wrestler, actor, and former professional football player. Now let's talk about his parents and siblings. His mother name is Patricia Inouye and his father name is Sika Inouye. His siblings Rosie and Vanessa. And here is some beautiful pictures of his family. His hobbies: playing American football and traveling. Physical measurements of Roman. He is 6 feet and 3 inches in height and his body weight is around 130 kg. He has black hair and has beautiful hazel eyes and he is just 36 years old. Religion of Roman. He practiced Christianity. Marital status of Roman. He is married. He married to Galina Baker and her wife Galina is fitness model. And in December 2014 they married with each other. Now let's talk about his net worth and salary from WWE. Is very famous wrestler of WWE and according to some reports he gets around $2 million per year from WWE as his salary. And as of 2021 his net worth is estimated to be around $15 million.